Not too tight? Do this. To iron down-filled garments without damaging them, wrap the iron in a towel. Torn glove? Here's an emergency alternative. Using Rinse Aid, the floors will dry much more quickly. And they'll be super shiny. If your scissors are blunt, it's time to sharpen them. All you need is a nail file to do this. It's important to wash clothes pegs regularly. To easily remove any dirt, soak them in a water and degreaser mixture. As good as new. Here's another way to use toilet paper. Handy disposable wipes. Soap leftovers? Wash out a net food bag and reuse it for doing your laundry. A great recycling idea. Next time you need to open a package like this, try this helpful tip. You will have a handy opening while keeping the bag sealed. Tarnished cutlery? Shaving cream will clean and shine your cutlery in a jiffy. Wow! Struggling to clean a dirty blender? Make your life easier by using this tip. Perfect!